stable like it has a GPS position. But what I love about this helicopter, it doesn't have a GPS position hold. It has only 2 flight modes. 6G auto level and old school hardcore 3D mode. This means you can smack it around. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, Yuxiang here, and this is Yuxiang F11 AH64 Apache helicopter. For the first time, yes, finally somebody did the Apache. Now, what you're gonna love about this beautiful, highly scaled helicopter is that it has only no BS 2 flight modes. Just old school. Auto level 6G, which is right here, I'm flying it in. Very stable and beginner friendly. And second one is an old school 3D mode, where you can smack this heli and do some 3D stunts. But again, I would just take that mode to fly scale, high-speed sports flight only. And no, don't want to do 3D on this beautiful scaled helicopter. Look at this beauty, man. Amazing, isn't it? Gotta set it up with Radio Master TX16S Edge TX and enjoy those high quality gimbals for a more smoother flight. But this radio is actually doing a very, very good job as well. The stances, the agility, the controls. And the best thing is that this is running an SFHSS system. Check this out. SFHSS system. This means we can bind this beautiful helicopter with Radio Master TX16S. And of course, that's the next thing I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.